As an actor, my skin is always exposed to these harsh lights of the studios and the dust and the dirt outside, the sun which makes my skin look so tanned at times. So what do I do to maintain my skin? I received this beautiful gift from the Alna Biotech. It is a 5-step facial kit which you can use it at your home as well. So let me show you how do I maintain my skin with Alna Biotech.
Now this is the final look. See how refreshing it looks? Grooming doesn't make you less man or a more man. Just by wearing pink color doesn't make you a less man. Grooming is not a necessity. It's a lifestyle.